I'm comfortable with the team. I'm comfortable with what we're doing in the community, but I'm not satisfied. You know, I think we have so much to offer as an organization as far as the product we put on the field. I think that we have the guys in the locker room that can get the job done, meaning, you know, bringing a championship or two here in the next couple years. We have the staff. We have everything we need. We just got to get it done, and if we don't, man, it's going to be sad.
Yeah, it was sad at the end of last year. And Matt Forte has mentioned, and you too, it's unheard of that all starters on offense are back. You can't underestimate, I guess, how important that really is for you guys.
Well, forget all of the starters coming back. Look at, you know, what we have. You know, it's unheard of to have a Matt Forte, you know, myself, Alshon Jeffrey, Martellus Bennett. Like, these guys are number one guys anywhere else in the league, you know, give or take a few teams. But, you know, that's unheard of. And also the coaching staff, you know. So we know that we have a window here and we got to get it done soon because I don't know how long we're going to be together.
As you get ready to head into the season, I know you said there are high expectations, but as a veteran at this point, how excited do you get? Just to make these games count right now.
I'm never content. I'm never satisfied. It's hard for me to really enjoy moments. I don't think I'm really going to enjoy this football season until February, and that's if, you know, we're in Grant Park.